Alright, so I today started my own blog, so it's on write.s/xrpdev. And the reason for that is because I've seen so many articles about XRP and also the company Ripple, which were so strongly factually incorrect, and I can't bear it. It's sometimes really hard to look over that, and some people might be interested into knowing the facts, and therefore I decided to also to write down my conclusions, my findings, and my knowledge and write it down. And that's where I started my blog here. So the first article I wrote was about custodial and non-custodial wallets, so it's a hot topic issue, and I'm trying to explain it to the best of my knowledge here, because also, well, yeah, because like I said, I want to set the record straight with many cases. I will also be writing articles about XRP and Ripple, and it would be nice if you would check it out and yeah, maybe like it. So just some background info. So it's basically Coil. So I don't know if you know Coil. Coil is basically a web monetizing platform. So if you join them, you pay basically monthly like $5. And whenever you watch content having the Coil extension, it's basically streaming payments. So it's sending a small amount of XRP to the person. As you can see here, there's the dollar sign. So whenever you watch content, so there are some YouTubers already also using Coil. It's automatically sending a small amount of XRP to the person responsible for creating that content. So you could also look at Coil. So it's a cool platform. You can decide for yourself if that's something you would like to do or not. It's basically just supporting the creator of content you in a small way you just watch about. Right, so that's basically it for the video. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.